Okay, guys, in this video, we are gonna talk about an update that Planet IX gave us. So there's an update, a news, and it is coming soon, why Rover? So that's the headline, and I will explain what it is. So let's get into this update. So in this update, Planet IX has introduced us to a new, a new, a new, a new technology, a new vehicle. So it's called the Wire Rover. So it's a new tech. Wire Rover is a new tech that is from the Y Corporation, and this rover is the second generation of a harvester vehicle. So this Y Rover technology is similar to our drones that are collecting waste. So this Y Rover is gonna collect waste and other materials. Owning a rover means that you will be able to collect resources much more efficiently, and that you will be able to increase your farming capabilities in Planet IX. Owning a rover is very, very valuable. Mhm. The valuable resources that the rover collects can only be claimed when it is reached full capacity. This process takes 10 days. I see. So you cannot collect um the materials and the waste that the rover gathered if it's not full yet. You can only collect it when it's full, and it takes 10 days for it to be full. So it's kind of different from our drone, because our drone we can collect it even though if it's not full. But for this one, you will not be able to collect it unless it's full. So you have to wait until it's full. And there's different tires of this rover. So there's a Piercer Rover, Genesis Rover, and Night Rover. Just like our drones, we have different types of drones. We have Genesis, Piercer, and Night. So the Piercer the Piercer Rover collects 16 waste every 24 hours, and it has a maximum capacity of 160 waste. And the Genesis Rover collects 24 waste every 24 hours, and the maximum capacity is 240 waste. The Night Rover collects 30 waste every 24 hours, and it has a maximum capacity of 300 waste. And all of these rovers reach its maximum capacity in 10 days. So you have to wait 10 days and then you can collect it. So this collects 16 waste every 24 hours. This collects 24 waste every 24 hours, and this collects 30 waste every 24 hours. So it's right there. Now, just like we have different tires of drone, and you also have different tires of this rover, you can actually stake, once this rover arrives and we're able to, acquire it and it's open, you can purchase it. Once that happens, you are going to be able to stake this rover with a drone. And what's going to happen is that you can stake a rover and a drone in one tile, tile A or tile B. And what's going to happen is that if you stake the same tire of the rover and it's the same tire of the drone, it's going to increase the efficiency and the performance of the drone if you place it on the same tile and they're the same kind. So if you, for example, if you have a Genesis drone and you have a Genesis rover, and you stake them both, you stake both Genesis drone and Genesis rover on the same tile, it's gonna increase the drone's performance. So yeah. And also, depending on where you place these rovers, it's depending on where you place these rovers, if you place it on tile A or tile B, it will have much more, it will be much more efficient. So I believe if you place it on tile B, it will be much more efficient than if you place it on tile A. But the details are also over here down below. And also, I just want to mention this very quickly. These rovers, every time you claim your resources in these rovers, once they're full, it has a 50% risk that it's gonna break down one step, and 0.1% that it breaks down two steps. And what that means is that you're gonna have to repair this rover. So you're gonna have to repair it and take care of it. And you can do that on the Y Corporation. Corporation Y. And they're gonna add it soon in Smart IX. It's gonna be there. And what happens is that if you don't repair this rover and don't take care of it, it's gonna be wrecked and you're not gonna be able to repair it. So I believe that if you wanna keep using this rover and it's very valuable to you and you need it, you have to repair it every single time you collect your waste and your materials, or just take care of it from time to time and make sure it doesn't break or get wrecked. So over here, it says repair damaged rover. So I'm gonna zoom in to just kind of like for you guys to see what it is. So this is what is. So repair and rename. Wait, where are they? Oh, over here. So damaged rover. The condition of the rover directly impacts its performance. So if the rover is damaged, it will impact its performance. So make sure to repair it consistently. And if the rover becomes damaged beyond repair, it will be considered a wreckage. Oh, so it's over here. It also said over here, I believe it will show like a percentage. So 100% it's okay. So 90% it's been used, 60% it's damaged, and then 0% below 60% it's wrecked. So you're not, just make sure, to watch out and take care of your rover and be aware of your rover's condition. That's it. And then here is the prices to repair the rover. So there's a fee when you repair the rover. So if your rover is worn out and you want to make it good, you have to pay 1 IXT. It's equivalent to 30 AC. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll learn soon. But anyways, if you want to repair a damaged rover, so if your rover is damaged and you want to make it good, you have to pay 2.5 IXT. And if you want to customize it, you can also customize your rover's name. You can name your rover any name you want. You have to pay 25 IXT. And also, you're going to be able to repair your rover for free, but there is a condition. Only the people with a Y Genesis NFT will be able to repair their rovers for free. And what you will have to do is you're gonna have to stake your Y Genesis NFT for 30 days. And once you stake your Y Genesis NFT, you will be able to repair your rovers for free. But I'm not sure if you're gonna have to stake your Y Genesis NFT every month, or if it's just like a lifetime. But that's all for this. So we've talked about the new rover, the new tech that Planet IX and Y Corporation introduced to us, and 3 different types of the rover and what it does and how to use it and how to repair it. And yes, that is all. Okay, but if you wanna, know more about this update in detail, and you guys wanna read this update on your own time, I can put the link down below for this so that you guys can read it at your own time. But this is it for this video. For more updates, please just like this video and our other videos, hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and just watch out for our videos, and you'll be great. And comment down below for more videos. Bye bye. That's it. Thank you.